Hi everyone, and welcome to the episode 3 of Generative AI in Practice and Applications. A very fantastic journey. It's Hamid Reza Hassani, PhD of Computer Engineering, AI ML researcher, and founder of DataBiox. Okay, in this short episode, I wanna introduce you some other amazing features of Generative Fill in Adobe. For example, here you can see that this is we have this first pic, and then with the power of Generative Fill, eventually we come to this picture. You can see here the tower is not, but here we have the full tower, or some areas are generated here, you can see, and also this dog. Okay, so let's introduce these to you. Okay, first of all, we will open Adobe Photoshop, and as I told to you in the previous episode, you can use this generative fill for a trial in some days, but after that, if you like it, you can subscribe and choose a plan. Here we will choose this. Yeah, you can see, but here you can see that the peak is widened. Okay, so in this way, you should choose this crop tool. Then you can see some borders around your peak. Then it's just that, sorry, it's just that you can widen your and enlarge your peak. Okay, so here we will choose select, and we'll select this peak from this area, but right now we wanna inverse the selection. So in edit we will inverse the selection. Okay, but as I remember, the shortcut for this, it's Ctrl+Shift+I. Okay, so in select, it's inverse selection. Yes, Ctrl+Shift+I. Okay, so this area is selected, and in this time we don't type anything. We ask it by itself to generative fill based on AI. Okay, so because this is optional, and we will generate without any description. So let's see what will be generated here. Then we will add something more to this, and during the time that I'm publishing this video, this feature is hot, and I have checking many online tools, but I think in this feature, honestly, this is really interesting and is working very well. So let's wait for a while. Oh, so we can see, wow, it's very nice. It's also nicer than this one, because it has some new towers. Very great. I loved it. It's really nice. Yes, it's really nice. And it's Burj Al Khalifa in Dubai, Emirates. You can see that in comparison to this, it make the tower complete, and it's really interesting. So I wanna put a dog here, or before that, I wanna have some falling leaves here, or let me choose this, and no, I think it was not good selection. Let me do it again. and I will say falling leaves. Okay, then let's see what it will generate for us. And also I wanna tell you that in the next episodes I wanna introduce you some online tools, but I think in this generative field, as I told to you, this is really works well, but some other online tools are good at generating the images based on the text description, not the generative field. So let's see. We have some leaves here, but yeah, it's appropriate. And yeah, I think the first one or the last one is better. Okay, but it's not leaves. Okay, and yeah, it's better than the first one. Okay, and also here I wanna have a dog here. So here I will say a dog. And let's see what it will generate for us. Yeah. And during this, I also hope that you are enjoying these amazing features. It is really lovely. I myself am really enjoying, and I will be happy if you share your comments with me, and if you found anything new. Yeah, this is a nice duck here, but I think because it's generated by AI, it has some defects. For example, is red here. It's also better, yeah, but the previous one was more realistic. And no, it has some errors, for example here, but good. I think it is maybe better. And if you wanna for example want to delete something, you can easily put this in here, but no, we will keep this nice duck here. And I think, yeah, I think it's enough for today. I hope that it was informative and useful for you. If it was interested, kindly share your comments and feedback with me, and please introduce this channel to your friends and colleagues. Hope see you in the next videos. Bye.